You found Mickey a present?
What's that, Mommy? What's that? What's that, Mommy? I love it, Mommy. I love it.
What is it?
It's a puzzle.
It looks like a puzzle?
Yes.
What are they?
And my boots.
Santa brought you new boots?
Yes.
Do you like them?
Thank you.
You want to open another present?
Yes.
Do you like your boots?
Yes.
Let me see. Are they beautiful?
Yes, it does.
There's stars on them. Oh boy.
Oh, that one's heavy.
It's only me.
That one's for you. Are you okay?
Lucky.
And Mama.
They're all for Roro.
And Mommy.
You want Mama to open one? Thank you.
Downer.
Lucky, go lay down.
Come here. You good share. This one's for you, Rowie.
Whoa.
Uh-oh. I was mine.
Castle got a present too? Are you going to open that one? Let me see. Open up a present. I know. I'm sure she thinks they're all boots.
Huh?
I'm sure she thinks they're all boots.
Oh no.
Do you need help?
Oh. I opened it. Mommy. You open them. You open them. You open
Yeah.
them. This one.
What is it? It is for you. Do you like it? Whoa, it's heavy.
Oh, can I open it?
You want me to open it?
Yeah.